I come to Kids Waves.
In the jungle, what a sight. Animals clean with all their might. Monkey sweeps and lion roars. Let's tidy up the jungle floors. It's hooray, let's dance and cheer with happy hearts and love so near. New clothes on, the mood is bright. Right in the jungle feels just right. Elephant sprays water high, cleaning trees beneath the sky. Parrot chirps, let's keep it green. Now the jungle's fresh and clean. It's hooray, let's dance and cheer with happy hearts and love so near. New clothes on, the mood is bright. Right in the jungle feels just right. Oh, bring sweets for girls and boys. Dates and treats bring so much joy. Together they all pray and eat. Right in the jungle, warm and sweet. Lion wears a golden crown. Monkey spins in a silky gown. Parrot sings Eid Mubarak loud, while elephants cheer with the crowd. No more mess, no dirty ground. The jungle shines all around. They hug, they share, they laugh, they pray, and make it bright in every way. So every year when Eid is near, the jungle shines with love and cheer, with peace and joy in every heart. From jungle Eid we never part.
Thanks for watching.